you have ActivInspire software, you will also want the shared resources that accompany it. These include valuable lesson-building resources for a variety of subject areas. To download and install the resource pack, begin by visiting support.PrometheanWorld.com. Search for ActivInspire Resource Pack, or even just the number 1052, which will bring you to the corresponding support article. Select the article titled How to Download and Install ActivInspire and Import the Resource Pack. Scroll down to the link titled Download Your Free ActivInspire Resource Pack. Click the link to begin the download. Once your resource pack has downloaded, go to ActivInspire. Go to File, then Import. Select Resource Pack to Shared Resources. Locate the newly downloaded resource pack file and click Open. The resources will be imported and then indexed. Once complete, the resources can be found in the Resource Browser under Shared Resources, then Subjects. If your browsers are not visible, go to View, then Browsers. If you still need technical support, please return to the support website and contact us.